Attention inhabitant. Are you certain someone you know has been replaced with a clone? And even though you can't prove it, you really believe in your heart it's true. Without admitting wrongdoing, the Kairos Alliance believes you. Know the warning signs. They repeatedly insist they're not a clone. They appear nervous while watching this video. They demand to know why your internet search history is full of inquiries asking if my significant other has been replaced by a clone. They frequently wander outside and stare vacantly at the sky while aligned with the magnetic North Pole. They routinely sneak out in the middle of the night to attend meetings in abandoned warehouses with dozens of people who look identical to them. They often give off the faint scent of huckleberries. We don't know why your loved one was cloned. Maybe it's what they wanted and you didn't know them as well as you thought. It's best to just accept what has happened and pretend like you hadn't noticed. You'll see they're pretty much the same. Don't worry, we are benevolent.